आज की वीडियो में हम ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को देखने वाले हैं कि आप किसी भी वीडियो को कैसे ट्रांसक्रिप्ट कर सकते हो। तो सपोज अभी हमने ये वीडियो यहाँ पे डाली हुई थी, मैं आपको गूगल क्रोम में दिखाता हूँ। तो ये हमने यहाँ पे लिखा ट्रांसक्रिप्ट एनीथिंग एंड वी हैव पुट द वीडियो लिंक हियर। ओके, इट्स a YouTube video link. If I want to check the output of this, let me check the output. So you will get this type of output here. Okay, you will get the complete output and it will detect the language automatically by the video, and it will give the transcript in that language. So it's the transcription, as you can see. So you can see the complete translation here. It's a transcription of that video. It's a Hindi video, so you are getting this type of transcription. If you have English video, then you will get the according to transcription. So what you have to do first, you have to install the Python transcript anything library. So you can download this from here by click on this, or you can directly click by this command. Okay, as I did here, you can see it here. I just write the command as it install the libraries, and then you have to write the transcript anything, and you have to mention the video link here. It can be any video, not on YouTube. It will use the any type of video from the other platforms also. So you have to just run this command, and you will get the complete transcription here, and it generates the four types of file here. First output.txt and PSV and SIT and JSON. Okay, so if you have not subscribed the channel yet, so subscribe the channel, and don't forget to join our platform here, marketplace BharatAIConnect.com. Here you can share your creations like AI agents and automations here directly, and you can earn money. So currently we have this 5 items added here, like 3 AI agents and 2 automations. So you can use this to sell your automations and AI agents. So thanks for watching.